Evaluation and stuff. Yesterday, it was too raining. And then everybody moved from the bicycle to the cars. What's that? Look. Look.
Find Bulgarian Thomas.
Hello, monsieur. Wow.
This is... C'est ici en fait. Oui. C'est le maillot de Geraint Thomas.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you. What a great singer. And thank you for the background.
Oh, thanks to you. That's a gift from the French president. It has nothing to do with that.
So,
no, super.